Our 24-inch beer kegerator dispenser. First off, the overall dimensions. Length, we have at least 23.5 inches. Depth, 30.25 inches. Height with wheels will be 39 inches in height. Without the wheels, we have at least 33 inches. Included will be the single tap dispenser, single tower here included, removable waste tray, and coming on the inside, the cabinet. Cabinet dimensions, we're looking at 24.75 inches in depth, at least 20 inches in length, and the overall height have at least 30 inches. All the components and hookups shown here will be included. Coming back here will be the standard 110/120 outlet plug, your temperature controller on top. The dimensions for the single tap tower will be 12 inches in height. Lock and key will be included. Our 24-inch beer kegerator dispenser. For all questions, give us a call and visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.